this block Migrating Geese. It has 6 flying geese in it. I found the block on Pinterest, of course. I changed up a little bit of the patches from the ones I cut. Originally I had used 2 squares instead of this rectangle, but after I cut everything and started piecing the block, I thought that this rectangle would be easier to do, so I changed this. The A patch is 2 rectangles. They're cut at 3.5 by 6.5 inches, and you need 2 of those, and that's for here and here. And for the flying geese, the sky portion is patch B. You'll cut 3 7/8 inch squares, cut them in half once diagonally. You'll get 2 patches. You need 12 patches of the background, so you'll need to cut 6 squares and cut each one of those in half once diagonally. Now these are the B patches, so they are the sky part of the flying geese. For the geese part of the flying geese, you'll cut a 7 1/4 inch square and cut it in half diagonally twice to get a 6 inch finished quarter square triangle. Now for each of these 6 patches, you'll need a different fabric. And if you cut them this way, you'll have enough to make 4 flying geese of each of the 6. So you could make 4 blocks with just these geese, and then of course you'd have to cut more of the background pieces as well. So let's look at the fabrics we have. Here are the squares that you need. Here are the half square triangles for the geese units, and here are the flying geese. When we put the flying geese together, we're going to put one geese unit, and then one of these half square triangles will go sewn on this side. We'll sew one side first, press them, and then we'll sew the other side on this side, and then press that. That is your flying geese unit. So I'm going to make all the flying geese now and come back and show you the block. Thanks for watching.